Have you ever done total payoff on a mortgage loan and curious what that means? Well, today I'm going to tell you what is a total payoff, but also tell you what is not a total payoff. So check it out. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Chris 70 with 70 Mortgage Note Investments, where we provide you sage advice to empower you to take control of your future financial independence through mortgage note investing. So today we're going to talk about what total payoff is on a mortgage loan. And what total payoff is, it's the amount the borrower would have to pay at a specific date in order to release the lien and get a satisfaction. So today is, let's just say today is November 20th. And their last payment was on November 1st, and the loan is current. So their payoff would be the unpaid balance plus some of the accrued interest throughout this month that would be due in order to get that satisfaction. So let me tell you what it's not, because I've seen some people get a little confused about this recently. What total payoff is not is if there's 100 payments left at $500 a month, that's $50,000. So I've seen some people noting total payoff on a loan being $50,000 because that's how they're calculating it. Oh, that is not what total payoff is. As I mentioned previously, total payoff is the amount to satisfy the loan at a specific current date. Now, if a borrower's been delinquent, the unpaid balance in the total payoff could have a significant disparity. And the reason why is there could be accrued interest, there could be advances that were made by the lender for legal or taxes. So all of that could get added to the loan if it can be by the mortgage and the state laws. So I hope this clarifies what a total payoff is for note investors. Thank you for watching this video. And as always, go out and do some good deeds and check out the new 70 Mortgage Note membership group called the 70 Note Syndicate. Thank you and have a good day.